2 elements on the top and 2 elements on the bottom. This rotisserie oven is going to cook faster and it's going to cook more evenly for great results. A great addition to anyone's kitchen. This is not just a rotisserie oven. Easy to remove from the rotisserie, this perfectly cooked pork is ready to go straight to the table with this beautiful mango salsa. Preparing 2 dishes at once means you get all the incredible flavor from the roasted chicken, but it saves time as well. Food slides onto the rotisserie tools with ease, and with the rotisserie fork, you can safely remove it. With simple one-touch operation, I select rotisserie and start. The preset is for 450 degrees in 1 hour time. The chicken will be perfectly done by then. The exact heat sensor maintains precise oven temperature, giving you even cooking and perfect results. This rotisserie oven will allow you to cook up to a 4-pound chicken. You want an exciting way to get vegetables into your diet? How about veggie fries? This is a powerful rotisserie oven, but convection bake on it will give you great results. With the veggie fries prepped, I'll move the rack to the center position. I'll get better convection results in the middle. Pop these in and set it to convection bake. Perfectly roasted veggie fries are an excellent snack.